People of Goa, just to show you all what's happening behind, this is our Taligaon Panchayat field. Alright, now it has been in such a bad condition all this time, and because tomorrow Amit Shah is coming into Goa. Just because Amit Shah is coming into Goa, this road work is being done for parking right now. And this was being taken for Panchayat Ghar. This is our Panchayat over here. You can see all our flags are being here, our roads are being done up, everything has been done up. And you can see clearly here in this blatant use, see, you all can see for yourself. This is a total hogwash which is happening just because Amit Shah is coming down over here. You can see for yourself. See what they are doing. So that this can be used for parking. These are our elected representatives who are doing this right now. And you can see this hot mix road over here. Can you see this hot mix road? Now for the last 2 years, in 2019 that she jumped into BJP, this road has been in such a bad condition. And you can see for yourself, today it's been hot mixed. Today is the 13th of October. It's been hot mixed over here because tomorrow he's arriving into Goa. This is how the BJP works. They don't work for the common people. They don't work if we are suffering. They do work only when their higher ups are coming because they all want to protect their seats. This is our elected representatives who have jumped from Congress to BJP because of development. This is the development that they're doing. Then when people want good roads, they say they don't have the funds. People in Karansalam are suffering for such a long time, and yet they say that there are no funds. But when Amit Shah and all this Prime Minister and all their people come down, all funds are available. So what is going wrong here? What is going wrong? That we elected you to do our work and now you're not doing any work for us. Now we have Rui over here who's also a person. Now this is Rui who's a member over here, a citizen of this place. Now let him also speak as to why this thing is happening. Rui, please say a few words. I'll just record you now, 1 second.
In Karandane, where I stay, the road is in very pathetic condition. And people have been demanding to our MLA to get the road fixed, at least to fill the potholes. But the general reply that time is that the government is not having the funds. But when Amit Shah is coming, so from where this fund is coming? So you are using the public fund only for the benefit of these your high profile leaders. The fund is not meant to be for the common people like us. We are supposed to suffer with bad roads, and it's a hell riding on this bike, on this road, and our bikes are getting spoiled. We have to spend on the repair of the bike.
Very true.
Then our vehicles, and on top of that it is continuing. But when this Amit Shah is coming, you have all the funds, you have all the manpower, everything is made available. And see, now they want a parking place also. These fields have been taken from the farmers, saying that they want to build a panchayat ghar. When we already have a panchayat ghar. Now they want to use this as a parking lot for their meeting, this high profile meeting. We are fed up of this. Use the public funds for the benefit of the public, not for the benefit of Amit Shah alone. Thank you.
So this is what we are saying, that constantly we are fighting on ground level and we are raising issues. This is not today itself, but we've been raising issues for a very long time. We are not drama queens, we are not drama kings, but we as citizens, if you can see, I don't have anything up on me, but we as citizens are tired and fed up of this nonsense what's happening. These are our elected representatives, and this is how they torture us for years and years. And when any high profile person is coming, this is how they just do touch-up works. So I think so we need more high profile work, high profile guys are suffering. People have died on our road. People have got damaged vehicles. People have got damaged bodies also. I also have a metal plate in my back because of an unpainted speed breaker. But this is ridiculous, yeah. This is totally ridiculous. This is why we elected the BJP governance and this is why they jumped from Congress to BJP for this kind of development. Not only when they are high profile, people are coming just before election to get road work done, and now see they've locked the gates over here and there's a meeting happening. All the preparations are going inside and into our hall. To get a hall to get the availability of this hall is so difficult. So Amit Shah's visit has been a last minute visit, and I'm sure they have cancelled someone's appointment over here to give him this preference so that there can be a lot of hype being done in Talegaon for BJP. So guys, I don't have to say much, and I think so all of us are using our brains and we are seeing what is happening, and we know for what this road work has been done. It's a total eyewash to show the elected representatives, the higher ups, wow, see the development. And that's what Amit Shah will say tomorrow. If I'm not wrong, that's what he will say tomorrow also. So guys, it's left up to each one of us what we want to do, because I, as a roster person, have been raising issues for a very long time, and people are laughing today, saying that just because Amit Shah is coming, road work is getting done. And see, you've heard Rui speak. He's a resident of Karanzale. They are crying on that side of the road, and this side road is being tarred. So anyway, this is what we'll get, and this is what we deserve. So it's high time that people start thinking good governance comes in when there's a democracy, and then work is done for the people, of the people, by the people. All right, so thank you very much, guys, all those who are watching, and God bless you all, because this is a total hogwash because of this high profile coming in, because she's only saving her seat for the coming election. All the best, Jennifer Montserrat. God bless you.